Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best self-propelled cordless lawn mowers available on the market, the Greenworks 40V 21-inch model. If you're in the market for a powerful yet eco-friendly lawn care solution, this might just be the perfect fit for you. Let's start with what makes the Greenworks 40V stand out. It features a robust 21-inch steel deck, which allows you to tackle large areas of grass efficiently and effortlessly. Powered by a brushless motor, it not only provides ample torque but also operates quietly and promises a longer lifespan compared to traditional gas mowers. One of the standout features of this mower is its self-propelled drive system with variable speed rear-wheel drive. This means you can easily maneuver through various terrains without breaking a sweat. Plus, with its 3-in-1 design, you have the flexibility to mulch, rear bag, or side discharge your grass clippings, depending on your preference and lawn conditions. Now, let's talk about the benefits. The Greenworks 40V is not just about power, it's also designed for ease of use. It's lightweight, making it easy to handle and store. The single lever height adjustment allows you to quickly switch between 7 different cutting heights, adapting effortlessly to your lawn's needs throughout the seasons. Additionally, the dual battery port design is a game changer. It enables you to use one battery while keeping the other charged, extending your mowing time without interruptions. This feature alone saves you from those inconvenient trips back to the garage mid-mow. In terms of performance, users have consistently praised its reliability and ease of assembly. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a first-time mower owner, the Greenworks 40V offers a hassle-free experience with its push-button start and ergonomic design. And speaking of user feedback, it's not just us singing its praises. Now, how does the Greenworks 40V stack up against its competitors? Unlike traditional gas mowers, it's emission-free and requires minimal maintenance. This not only reduces your carbon footprint but also saves you money in the long run by eliminating the need for gas and oil changes. While there are other cordless mowers out there, the Greenworks 40V strikes a balance between power, functionality, and environmental consciousness that few can match. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and environmentally friendly lawn mower that doesn't compromise on power, the Greenworks 40V 21-inch self-propelled cordless lawn mower is an excellent choice. Its robust features, ease of use, and thoughtful design make it a standout in its category. Thank you for tuning in to today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy mowing!